oboe and bassoon, dot, 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 needs to be more staccato, if possible. Like, it's got to be, it's like, dot, 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 right? And all the bombs,
That's also for John, too. John, measure 5.
they need to be attacked more, you know? It's like, even though everything else is smooth, like, it's almost like it should be in a different, it's like it's a different world. Like, so, you know,
We have, you know, different ways of composing and bringing material, and it's a breath of fresh air. I mean, you know, my piece that I did was just, you know, it would take me a year to write out, you know, what I did on a piano. Working with John, he's got another approach.
Mine is a run piece for the group, and it was good. You know, it's actually good to actually get together and rehearse the way we did, because it makes me want to write something else too. Audience feels that no matter how weird the music is, or difficult or complex the music is, there's a feeling underlying that is about connection, and that's the most important thing.